So now we're looking at multiplication and division involving scientific notation. And this is the point of using scientific notation. It makes multiplication and division, or one of the points of scientific notation, making multiplication and division much easier to perform if we have really, really big numbers or really, really small numbers. So what we'll do is we will use the commutative property to rearrange the factors, because it's all multiplication. So we'll put the leading numbers in each instance together, and then the 10 two different powers together, and then we'll use the laws of exponents, the product property, to add those exponents on 10, and then finally we'll simplify based on whatever the exponent on 10 is. So first we write down the leading numbers, so -3 times 2 times 10 to the 5th times 10 to the -8th. That's -6 times 10 to the 5 plus -8, which equals -6 times 10 to the -3. So we're going to move that decimal place 3 places to the left. So I'm going to write the negative out over here. I'm going to write my 6 here. 1, 2, 3. So I'll put my decimal point there. Zeros in between, a negative over here. So we end up with -0.006. Or 6 1/1000ths, -6 1/1000ths. Now with division, it's a similar process. We break it up into the different parts, the leading numbers and the powers of 10. So if we break this up, this is 8 over 4 times 10 squared over 10 to the -2. And that equals 2 times 10 to the 2 minus -2, using the quotient property of exponents. So that equals 2 times 10, 2 minus -2, that's 2 plus +2, so that's 10 to the 4th. So we're going to move our decimal place 4 places to the right, so 2 point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 20,000. And it's that simple. When we use the properties of exponents with scientific notation, we simply put the leading numbers as a product together, and then the powers of 10, and then use the properties of exponents that we've learned to simplify the powers of 10, and then finally we convert to a decimal in our final step.